Here I am at one of my favorite places in the world, the Grand Canyon. But this day was not a great day for taking pictures of this beautiful place. So here I've taken this photo into Camera Raw, and I'd like to just show you a couple of things that you could do that makes Camera Raw such a powerful photo editor. The first thing is this sky is totally worthless, so I'm going to come over here and click on the crop button, and I'm going to actually crop out the sky altogether. In Camera Raw, I usually just come in and start by hitting the auto button. I'm looking at the histogram, which is a graphic representation of the levels in the photos. And I'm going to just play with the histogram. I'm going to bring up the lights a little bit and pull down the darks a little bit. Move this into the center. And then here in Camera Raw, we have a bunch of different panels that we can use. I always start with the basic panel. And it looks like there's a lot of haze. So I'm going to use this dehaze slider and clear out some of that haze. That made a big difference altogether. It was kind of a cool gray day, so I'm going to warm up the day just a little bit with the temperature slider. I think I'll add just a touch more vibrance into it. And I think I'll take in a little more clarity and add a little more texture into it. Let's take a look. That was before, that's after. Isn't that an amazing difference?